Hello everyone, welcome to a class of basic Python tutorial for learning to program with Python. So if you're planning to learn Python programming, then you are in the right place because in this class we'll cover everything to get you started. Let's take a look what you learn from this class. An introduction to Python, how to draw a shape, learning about variables and data types, strings in detail, numbers in detail, how to get input from user, a basic calculator in Python, making a Mad Libs game, understanding lists and their functions, tuples, learning about functions, the return statement, if statement in detail. After completing this class, you will be able to write your first line of code, learn about variables and data types, get input from user, work with functions, use if statement. So if you're planning to learn C++, then you are in the right place because in this class, we will cover everything to get you started. So now let's take a look on what you learned from this class. Introduction and setting up, drawing a shape, learning about variables, different data types, learning about strings, learning about numbers, getting input from user, creating a simple calculator, creating a simple Mad Libs game, the array, about functions, learning about the return statement, and lastly, about the if statement. So if you're planning to learn JavaScript, then you are in the right place because in this class we'll cover everything to get you started. Now let's take a look what you are going to learn from this class. An introduction to JavaScript, setting up Node.js and VS Code, variables in JavaScript, constants in JavaScript, data types, learning about type conversion and type conversion, learning about arithmetic operators, learning about relational operators, learning about logical operator, if statement in JavaScript, about the switch statement. After completing this class, you will be able to learn about the Node.js and the text editor application, use variables for storing data, learn about different kind of operators, learn about different kind of datas. This is a project based class, so during learning you will have class project. So what you learn, you will be able to participate in class project and you can do practice while you are learning. You will have supporting resources in this class, so it will be easier for you to learn. During learning, if you face any issue or if you have any question, then feel free to ask me. I'm always there for you to help you. So let's start learning JavaScript programming together.